In this video, let's see how to create and configure an automation for Shopify order placement. In the navigation bar, click on Automate. From the drop-down menu, select Automations. In the Automation section, click on Create Automation. In the form, enter the automation name in the Automation Name field. Click on Next, Configure to proceed. In the Configuration section, click on the SendX drop-down under Triggers. Select Shopify from the drop-down menu. Click on the Choose a Trigger drop-down. Select a trigger option from the list. Ensure Shopify is selected in the drop-down. In the Triggers section, click on Choose a Trigger drop-down. Select Placed Order from the drop-down menu. In the Action section, click on Choose an Action drop-down. In the Action section, select Send Auto Trigger Campaign from the drop-down menu. In the Action section, click on Select an option to choose a specific option. In the Action section, select Shopify Order Placed from the drop-down menu. Click the Start Automation button at the bottom right of the page.